Hi everyone, welcome to SSR classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle with radius 3.5 centimeter. So constructing a circle with radius 3.5 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, draw here a line of length 3.5 centimeter. So this is 1 2 3 and this is 3.5 centimeter. So first drawing here a line of length 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and taking this is OP and OP equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now taking the length OP, so first here taking a point O and taking the length OP by compass by this way and putting the compass on this point and drawing a arc by this way and this represent a circle with radius 3.5 centimeter. So now joining a straight line from center O to perimeter. So first joining a line here, so we got a radius and this is P point, so OP equal to 3.5 centimeter. So radius OP equal to 3.5 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.